What's up guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget Sidekick, and today I have here some peripherals that I will be attaching to my gaming PC, which this is the third video already, wherein we'll be unboxing some stuff over here from our sponsors. So first up we have the Seagate Firecuda 520. This is an M.2 PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, and yeah, this is gonna be something that is going to help me boot up pretty fast. This one is a 1 terabyte of storage, which is pretty huge, and as well as 5000 Mbps. Really, transfer speed is really insane. So we'll be opening it up, taking a look. We'll be assembling our PC pretty soon. As soon as we unbox everything here, we'll be going right on to the next step, which is of course unboxing and assembly of my PC. So pulling it out, we have this little chip here, but before we take it out, we have some rescue data recovery services from of course, this is only available when you buy original Seagate products, as well as a warranty card, which is also in here. Then let's take it out. The card itself. Okay, so it's packed pretty tight in here, sealed properly. Okay, looking good. And there we go. This is the 520 series PCIe Gen 4 SSD NVMe. Okay, so it's 1 terabyte worth of storage, SSD storage, which is very fast. 5000 Mbps. That's it. This is from Seagate. Thanks to our friends from Seagate Philippines for sending me this stuff. And yeah, we'll be attaching this to our motherboard pretty soon. Next up we have is the crucial Ballistix gaming memory. This is RGB included in this one. Definitely it's gonna light up. And we have here is the 16 gig kit, which consists of two 8 gigabyte of memories. It's DDR4-3600 UDIMM. Okay, so yeah, this is engineered for speed, optimized for Intel and AMD system, which is easy to install. So this is from our friends over from Crucial Philippines. Okay, so as usual, taking it out. Here we go. So this one has a limited lifetime warranty, as we can see here on the box. So taking it out, we can see two memories over here. Just pop it out. And looks nice. Okay. So I'm really interested on which part will light up when I, of course, plug it on my motherboard. I'm interested to see which will light up. Most likely it's this one, since it's RGB. Okay, it's from Ballistix, Crucial Ballistix, 2 piece of 8 gigabyte memory. Put it on my table. And the other one here, also the same. Nice. Can't wait to attach it. Then we also have my Barracuda hard drive, which is a 4 terabyte worth of hard disk space. This one is sponsored by our friends from AAA Brilliant Machines over at Greenhills. Okay, so yeah. taking it out from the wrapper. Yes, it's Seagate Barracuda. This one is good for massive storage. This one's a 4 terabyte worth of storage, and of course pretty slim design from Seagate. Okay, so you can see here the ports. Plugging it to the motherboard. This is what it looks like at the back, and I'm pretty sure it's pretty slim and beefy. Putting again on the sides. So right now we're down to our last 2 items, which this one is from our friends over at Artic Cooler. It's RGB case fan. So let's just take it off, open it up. So we have 6 case fan over here. Okay, got the value pack. So we have some screws over here. So right now we'll take the fan out, and most likely all of them are the same, looking the same. So these are to be plugged to the power supply. Okay, so this is RGB lights. This one is to be plugged to the board. So these are the case fan from Artic Cooler. This would light up pretty nice at night. We'll be really putting this stuff into full test and see how it looks. And I'm more than excited. Okay, so put it here on the side. So I won't be opening the other one since it for sure would look the same. And we're down to our last item for tonight, which is an Artic Liquid Freezer 2 240 RGB, which is multi-compatible all-in-one CPU water cooler with RGB. It's compatible with Asus, MSI, Gigabyte, ASRock, and it's made for Intel and AMD socket. Okay, so it has 6 years of limited warranty. Included is the thermal paste MX5 and custom RGB. This color black, and of course my case is color black. So let me put this few stuff aside before we even bother to open it. Okay. And so we're here to open this box. Here we go. So opening the box, you can see this is the one to be attached to the processor. Okay. Looks neat. So this one are some of the accessories that we need. So these are some of the attachment that we'll be using. This is the some of the brackets and stuff that we'll be using. This one is the MX5 thermal paste, and yeah, some screws, some other stuff that we need. Further opening this one. So we can see that there is an RGB fan over here that definitely will be attaching to our case for maximum heat dissipation. We have here is a 2 fan, okay, from Artic, and it looks almost the same as the fan here. So expect the color to be almost the same. And yeah, these are some of the heat dissipating stuff inside. And this one is to be attached to the our processor, which is the AMD 5800, which is the AMD 5800X. Okay, so yeah, so liquid will pass through here and dissipate it here. Okay. So yeah, guys, you have seen everything that I'll be attaching on my gaming PC, wherein we have here the Seagate hard drive, 4TB Barracuda. We have here the Seagate NVMe SSD, which is a Firecuda 520. We have two Ballistix, Crucial Ballistix, 2 8GB of RGB RAM, DDR4. We also have our Artic cooler, liquid freezer 2, 240 RGB, as well as the RGB case fan. So yeah, this ends our third video, and probably the next one will be our final before we go on and assemble our PC. So we'll be doing our last leg with the monitor and of course the gaming mouse, the sounds, and some other little stuffs before we finalize our assembly. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe first, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here on my channel. So if you want to know where I bought this stuff, I'll be posting everything down in the description box below. So again, a word of thanks to AAA Brilliant Machines for this hard drive. Thanks to our friend over at Artic Cooler Philippines for sending this stuff, the Artic Cooler liquid freezer, and our friends from Crucial for sending this Crucial Ballistix RGB RAM, and our good friends from Seagate Philippines for sending over this Firecuda 520. So I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye.